Alright, what's next? Low box. Ooh, some kind of cover it sounds like. And had that bounce noise to it. Ooh, lots of good packing material there. Ooh. There's a real good part there. See, that's what I heard. Hear it? And there's your cover. With the air cleaner bolt. Always check your package, you never know what you're missing. Alright, so we got some good stuff here. Alright, so this is the regulator bracket for a panhead, 58. Goes right back here. Boom. Put that ugly ass big honking regulator for electric start right there inside of your bike. But ugly. But this was an original bracket that wasn't broken, that's why I bought it. Because I like putting the regulators going in generators, you don't have to look at the ugly regulator. But if you're doing it correctly, this is the bracket you really want. And this is not broken either. It's a lot stronger than the aftermarket brackets. The old Taiwan Teddy sells you. So this goes all the way through 69. 65, 59, to, actually I don't know if it goes back to 59. I'm pretty sure it goes back to 58. Like all this stuff, when you read the title of the video, you will know what it is, because I'll look in the book to make sure what it is. But I think it's 58 through 69. That takes that big regulator on there. Alright, this is a top motor mount for a panhead. So the reason you know it's a panhead is because it's got the bracket hanging down off of that. And that's where your choke mechanism goes. Your linkered carbonator. And this is the factory bolt and the factory washer. See, it has a large headed bolt because it has to cover up that large slot right there. There runs a nice thick washer there. A nice thick washer there. Frame goes in the middle. And this had a lock nut on. I don't think Harley ever used lock nuts, so maybe they did. So anyway, that is a panhead top motor mount bracket. So that gives me something to work on that. And that would go right up across the heads right up here on the other side. Alright, that's that one. Now for the expensive part, that was a nickel and dime junk over there.